Been craving jerk chicken because I'm missing Jamaica. I decided to do a little fusion with these jerk chicken flouters, and let me show you how I hook these up. I have some thinly sliced chicken breast that I'm going to season with some jerk seasoning, and then I'm going to come in with a little bit of honey hickory rub, which is fantastic, and then I'm going to come in with about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, plain Greek yogurt, and then I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of this jerk seasoning. Now remember, I'm marinating this. I don't know why I said remember, because I'm just telling you, you are going to marinate this for about 24 hours so it can get nice and juicy, okay? I also came in with about a pinch of brown sugar just to balance that spice. While that's marinating overnight, I'm going to make my sauce. I'm going to come in with about half a cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of some more of that jerk marinade. I'm going to come in with about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and then about a tablespoon of honey. Then I'm also going to season with this hot honey seasoning. I have 1 lime that I'm going to just use the juice out of, mix that all together, and once you have the consistency that is nice and kind of thin like so, then I'm going to cover it, put it in the fridge until I'm going to use it, okay? In my skillet on a medium-high heat, I'm going to melt down 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to saute my chicken breast, thinly sliced on cooking, maybe about 4 minutes on each side. You can see how nice and tender and juicy and brown they look. Now, before I cut into them, I'm going to let them rest for about 10 minutes, okay? I'm going to cut them into small bite-sized pieces like so. As you can see, this chicken is nice and tender, juicy. That's why we marinate, okay? I shredded 1 block of jack cheese, and then I warmed up some corn tortillas because you want to have them warm, otherwise they will tear on you, okay? So I'm just going to lay out my tortillas. I come in with a little of that shredded cheese. Then I'm going to come in with some of that delicious juicy chicken, okay? And don't skimp. And then I like to roll them up. Now, for easier, when I'm frying, I like to just put a little toothpick in there so they don't unravel. Fry my flouters up, seam side down first so I can take the toothpick out. And you see I have very minimal oil, okay? Don't use a whole bunch. Flip them on the other side. Then I let them drain to let the excess oil drip. Then I'm going to plate them up. Look how nice and golden they look. I have a little cabbage and red onion tossed with a little rice wine vinegar. Came in with a little homemade mango pico de gallo, and then drizzled with that delicious sauce that we made earlier. Don't forget to engage with your girl and check out my other recipes and tell everybody we got hate over here.